Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to turn on post notifications on Instagram Story. So go ahead and open up Instagram, make sure that you're logged in, and then go down to the bottom right-hand corner where you see your profile icon and go ahead and click on that. That will open up your profile page where you can go to the top right-hand corner where you see those three lines. Go ahead and click on that menu. That will open up this page where you're going to want to go all the way to the bottom. It's nearly hidden. It's labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. And then here you're going to want to navigate to the second section down titled Notifications. Go ahead and click on Notifications. And here, third section down, it looks like you can click on Posts, Stories, and Comments. Click on Posts, Stories, and Comments. That will open up this page where you can adjust all the notification settings for your likes, comments on photos of you, comments, likes, and pins, and first posts and stories. If you'd like to turn on post notifications on Instagram Story, just go ahead and click the little blue button on the right-hand side of everyone. When you're all set with your changes, just go ahead and use the left back arrow at the top left-hand side of the screen to back out and return to where you would like on Instagram. I hope this video helped you out on how to turn on post notifications on Instagram Story. If it did, annihilate that like button for me and consider subscribing because we talk about this sort of thing often. Thanks for watching. Take care.